Okay, in this video I'm going to show you where to access the files that I use to create the Shafter video assignment. These files will be made available to you in ThawSpace on the teaching computer, and there will be stills, and I have them organized here like this into their categories. And there's some audio files I've also downloaded. But you may want to personalize your own project. So I just want to show you where I got these files. They were downloaded from the Library of Congress website. So it's www.loc.gov. And as you know from the history course, you can access all the Farm Security Administration photographs on this site. So we'll just start by typing in Shafter into our search bar. And Shafter, California is a place where a Farm Security Administration administered migratory labor camp existed, and you can see right off the bat we have one here from Arthur Rothstein. So what I'm actually going to do, or for my project what I actually did was I only used images that Dorothea Lange. Actually that's not totally true. The first version I did I used both, but this version that I'm doing just for this class and I'm demonstrating for your software class will use Dorothea Lange. So to refine your search, you can go down here and we'll start just by doing, for example, audio recordings. So now what you have here right off the top is this collection, Voices from the Dust Bowl. So Voices from the Dust Bowl, as you can see, is the Charles Todd Robert Sonkin Migratory Work Collection. They have 526 items that these two ethnographers went and recorded in throughout California during this period. So if I go now and just continue refining this once again, so you can see now I'm refined by audio recordings. I originally searched Shafter, but I'm going to put that in again. Location Shafter. Now you see there's all these audio recordings, some 90 different ones. And you can go in and individually download these for your own use. Just pick one here that I've already downloaded for you. Next page. Here's one called Oklahoma. Just going to click on that. It's going to open up, and right now I can play it here. Or I can just go ahead and download the audio wave file here. See, I only have one choice to download, and it is a digital audio waveform. Click Go, Save File, OK, and it's going to be downloaded. I'll check my Downloads folder, and it's right here on top. What I've done is I've right off the bat renamed it something that I'm going to recognize what it is. So I called it Oklahoma, and then I would move that into my audio folder, and there you see it's right here labeled Oklahoma. There's my digital wave. So that's the audio file, and it's available for you on the teacher computer in ThawSpace, but once again you may want to download things that I didn't even download. Personalize your own project. Let's go back now. We'll remove the audio recording from our search, and we will select photo, prints, and drawings. Again, location Shafter, and now we have 123. We'll round that down a little bit more by going to contributor, and you can see we have 77 items from Dorothea Lange, who you know was the famous photographer who did The Migrant Mother. And we'll go through and you can see these are all of the images that Dorothea Lange shot in Shafter, California. And there's some neat pictures here. Watching baseball game, for example. Kind of a cool picture. Potato field pickers near Shafter. Some interesting images. So let's just select one. So here's one from the Watching the Baseball Game series that Dorothea Lange shot at the Shafter Camp for Migrants in California in Kern County. You notice over here you have the option of downloading a JPEG, GIF, or TIFF. What I did, and what I'm going to suggest you do, is download the high resolution JPEG. It's not that large, and that's what I've downloaded, and that's what's available to you. The reason we download the larger one is so that we can make some manipulation to the image. We may want to set levels or do some dodging or burning on the pictures, and then downsize them appropriately for the size that we want. So now to download this picture, I actually need to do a control click, and you'll see I can now save image as. So what I've done over here, I've selected the large and clicked go. It's opened that picture in my browser, but now in order to save it, I have to control click, save image as, and then I can save it in the appropriate folder. You can see I have it organized through here, still pictures. I have them organized in these folders by topic, so watching baseball, and it's actually already saved in there as a high resolution image. And now I've downloaded that picture from the Library of Congress website. Okay, so that's just to get you started, to show you where the source material came from and how you can go ahead and download some other images if you want to personalize your own project. This one, like I've said, I've only downloaded Dorothea Lange pictures from Shafter, California. That's the theme of the assignment that I've given you, but it's up to you to expand the range of the project if you deem it pertinent. All right, thanks.